If you're looking to build your own custom fire feature, EasyFirePits.com is the best online resource. The website is loaded with great information, a wide variety of top quality products, and a bunch of pictures that are sure to give you great ideas. For this project, I used EasyFirePits Reg DTA with a B4 burner, Bowl 5 diffuser, a stainless steel mixing bowl, and a vintage thick molded plastic end table. First, I took the travertine top out. I quickly realized the magnets that hold the door closed would need to be relocated in order for the bowl to sit down on the table as planned. So I removed the magnets and installed them at the bottom instead. Then with the Sawzall, I cut off the piece that would have gotten in the way, and problem solved. I measured the space where the top once was and bought the right size stainless steel bowl, making sure it had a lip so it would drop down into the table. Using a 1-inch step bit, I drilled a hole in the center of the bowl. Time to screw the first threaded washer onto the EasyFirePits B4 burner, which is a 4-inch torch style burner. I placed that through the diffuser and then into the mixing bowl. And screwed the second washer onto the other end, mounting the burner and diffuser to the bowl. I applied Teflon tape to the threaded end of the burner to ensure no gas leaks from the connection. Then I connected EasyFirePits Reg DTA, a needle valve style regulator which will allow control of the gas flow from a 1-pound disposable propane tank to the burner. I could have stopped right there, but I chose to put some decorative rock in the bowl. I started with pea gravel as a filler to prevent gas from ponding and lessen any heat transfer to the bowl, and then topped it off with lava rock for aesthetic appeal. I connected the tank and rotated the bowl a little so the control valve was facing the front. Time to fire it up. I light a grill lighter and turn the control slowly. And there you have it, an easy, one-of-a-kind custom fire feature that you can enjoy with your family and friends at an affordable price. Thanks for watching. Visit EasyFirePits.com today.